Welcome friends. Now we take multiplication table. If set is a finite, then binary operation can be defined by means of table. Elements of set can be listed across the top as a yes of the column and at the left as a yes of the rows. For example, here S is equal to A, B, C. Then listed the elements A heads of the column like B, C and left heads of the rows A, B, C. Here star A, C, B. Suppose here B, C, B, A, C, A. Here ith entry of left star, jth entry top is equal to entry in the ith row and jth column in table body. Ith entry in left star, jth entry in the top is equal to I jth in table body. This is called table body. Another example here, S is equal to A, B, C, D. Draw table. Listed elements of S as top of the column. Suppose here A, B, C, D, B, C, D, A, D, C, D, A, B, C, B, A, like this. Clearly it is binary operation, star is binary operation. In table body, all entries belongs to this set, so it is binary operation. See, diagonal main diagonal. If this table is symmetric about this main diagonal, then this operation is commutative operation. If this table is not symmetric about main diagonal, then this operation is not commutative. See in the first table, here B star C, B star C is equal to A and C star B is equal to C. Here B star C is equal to A and C star B is equal to C. That means B star C is not equal to C star B. That means this star operation is not commutative. Here, if you check here, along main diagonal, here, not symmetric. This table is not symmetric about main diagonal. So, it is not a commutative operation. So, it is not a commutative operation. If star is binary operation, on a set yes, then the following two conditions are satisfied. First, exactly one element assigned for each order pair in S. Exactly one element assigned for each order pair in S. And second condition, assigned element is again in S. Assigned element is again in S. If star is a binary operation, then these two conditions must be satisfied. That means each order pair assign only one element, exactly one element. That means not more than one element assigned. And assigned elements again belongs to in S. For example, here on set Q, A star B is equal to A by B. Here some order pair does not assign element, some order pair does not assign element. For example, 3, 0. That means 3 divided 0 not defined. And so this operation is not well defined, is not well defined. Take another example here. Here Q plus, let another example, let A star P is equal to A by B. Clearly both conditions are satisfied. That means each order pair assign element. Here 0 not present in Q plus, so each order pair assign element, and this assigned element is again in Q, and so it is binary operation. If you take another example here, Z plus, let A star B Okay, Z star. Let A star B is equal to A by B. In Z star 0 not present, so here A star B, A by B, here assign element, but this element does not belongs to Z star. That means 2 star 3 is equal to 2 by 3 does not belongs to Z star. So here our second condition is not satisfied, and so it is not a binary operation. It is not a binary operation. If we take suppose another example, let F such that F is set of all real value, capital F is set of all real valued functions with domain R, and here F star G define H, where H of X is greater than H of X is greater than F of X and G of X. Clearly it is defined. Okay, H of X greater than F of X and G of X. Here first condition is not satisfied. First condition is not satisfied because here F of X and G of X, H of X is greater than F of X, G of X. That means there are so many functions greater than F of X and G of X. Not only one function is greater than. So first condition is violated, and so it is not a binary operation or not a well defined. This operation is not well defined. We will see some examples from exercise. Next example, star defined on S. S is equal to A, B, C, D, E. By table. From this table, compute B star D. From this table, compute B star D. B star D is equal to here B star D, C star, okay, B, C star B, A, D star E, here D star E, D. Second question is compute A star B star C. Compute A star in bracket B star C and A star B star C. Here, first compute B star C. B star C. B star C is A. That means A star A. And A star A is again A. Now, here A star B. A star B is B. And then star C. Here B star C. B star C. Again, from this calculation, can we say this binary operation is associative? Here, we cannot say from this calculation star is associative operation because this condition A star B star C is equal to A star B star C for all A comma B comma C belongs to yes. That means this condition satisfies for all triple pair, all triples. Then we say that this star operation is associative. Here only for this triple A, B, C, but remaining also satisfied this condition, then we say it is associative. Again here from this table compute B star D, compute B star D star C and okay B star D star C. Here B star D, B star D, B star D is E star C. E star C, E star C is A. Here, first solve this. D star C, D star C is B and B star B, B star B is C. Here for this triple B, D and C, associative condition not satisfied. From this table here is a star binary operation. We know here draw this main diagonal and see about main diagonal. If table is symmetry, then star is commutative. If table is not symmetry, then star is not commutative. Here D, D, A, but here B, here C. That means D, here D also, but here this not symmetry. Here E also not symmetry. Here also not symmetry. That means C, this diagonal wise, this table is not symmetric about main diagonal. So this operation is not commutative operation. This operation is not commutative operation. Now see next table. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, 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 A, D, B, C, A, D, B, D, A. This table is given, incomplete table. We define here star is a commutative binary operation, and using this commutative binary operation complete the table. Star is commutative binary operation, and using this complete the table. Here A D star A is equal to D, then star is binary operation, A star D also D. So here D. Here B star C incomplete. So here C star B. C star B is here, therefore A. Or if table is symmetric, because table is symmetric because this commutative, so you also complete by this way, DB, CC, like this. Okay. Now next example. Determine whether binary operation star define is commutative and whether star is associative. Determine whether the binary operation star is commutative and whether star is associative. First, star define on Z, star on Z by A star B is equal to A minus B. A star B is equal to A minus B. Whether this is by clearly binary operation, whether it is commutative, so here it is not a commutative because A minus B is not equal to B minus A. A minus B is not equal to B minus A, that means A star B. Also it is not associative. Okay. Second, A star B on Q defined by star on Q by A star B is equal to AB plus 1. Clearly it is commutative operation. Here B star A also is equal to here BA plus 1, but here AB is as usual multiplication and this is equal to AB plus 1. This is A star B. But here it is not associative. Now check A star in bracket B star C. This is equal to A star in solve this BC plus 1. Again this is one element and this is another element. This is A B C, A in bracket BC plus 1, again plus 1. This gives A B C plus A plus 1. Now check another way. A star B star C is equal to here A star AB plus 1 star C. Now again AB plus 1 C plus 1, this is equal to ABC plus C plus 1. Here ABC plus C plus 1, here ABC plus A plus 1, that means these two not equal to, and so this operation is not associative. Next example, star defined on Q by A star B is equal to AB by 2. A star B is equal to AB by 2. Clearly, this is commutative. AB by 2 can be written as BA by 2 and this is equal to B star A. Here, A star B star C for associative. This gives AB by 2 star C. This is again AB by 2 into C upon 2. This gives ABC by 4. And again A star in bracket B star C is equal to A star BC by 2. This gives A BC by 2 upon 2, that means ABC by 4. That means clearly it is also associative operation. That means this operation is commutative as well as associative. If we take another A star B on J star on Z plus by A star B is equal to 2 raised to AB. 2 raised to AB. Clearly, this is commutative. That means A star B is equal to 2 raised to AB. This can be written 2 raised to BA and this is equal to B star A. But not associative. See here, A star in bracket B star C is equal to A star in bracket, A star 2 raised to BC. This is again, okay, 2 raised to product of these two. A 2 raised to BC like this, and A star B star C is equal to, see here, A, first solve this A star B, that means 2 raised to AB star C, this is equal to again, okay, 2 raised to C times 2 raised to AB, not equal, and so it is not associative. Now one example. Here. Prove that if star is associative and commutative, prove that star is associative and commutative. Star is associative and commutative. Binary operation on a set, yes. On a set, yes. Then A star B, A star B star C star D is equal to A star B star C star D is equal to D star C, D star C star A star B for all A, B, C, D belongs to A. For all A, B, C, D belongs to yes. Assume associative law only for triples. Assume associative law. Assume associative law only for triples. X star Y star Z is equal to X star Y star Z for all X, Y, Z belongs to yes. For all X, Y, Z belongs to okay. Now A star B star C star D. By commutative, this can be written C star D star A star B. Again, here, again use commutative D star C star A star B. Suppose here if we take X, this is Y and Z. Then this can be use this X star in bracket Y star Z is equal to this. Here D star C star A star B, like that means X star Y out of bracket star Z. We get this. We use only associate satisfy only three elements. Okay, for all X, Y, Z belongs to yes. And this property is satisfied. So we stop here. Okay, thank you.